Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Joy and you are watching my channel Joy Tech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get voice changer on your TikTok account. So before starting the video, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your TikTok account and press as plus sign. Now page on screen you can see a camera option. Now you can record your new video or upload it from your gallery. After recording your video, just tap at yes sign. Now appears the screen at the bottom. You can see a three dot option. Just tap on it. Appears on screen. You can see a option audio editing. Just tap on it. Now at the bottom you can see plenty of voice changing options are available now. Download these effects and tap at replace the original sound with recording. And like this you can easily change your voices at your TikTok videos. If these options are not available at your device, then go back and open your iOS store or Play Store, and in the search bar type here TikTok. And make sure that your application is fully updated or not. If it is required the update, please update it first and then try to open this again and try this feature at your TikTok account. After activating your TikTok, if still this feature is missing at your devices, then wait for the next update because this feature is a rolling based feature. Maybe it's late at your region. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.